Hello everyone, welcome to the Semantic Climate tutorial session. In this session, we're going to take a look on how we can use Google Colab, an open source platform, to explore what Semantic Climate as a team has built over the years for you to better understand the documents in general. So let's quickly move into the Colab interface. As you can see here, I have already loaded a notebook from one of our tutorials, and you can see that there is a side icon bar with the folder, and then there are icons like file, edit, view, insert, runtime, which helps you to wrangle different operations within Colab. The most important one that you will always need to go forward to is file and then runtime. File helps you to download a notebook or even print it. You can even share it, copy it, and save it in your drive. Runtimes help you to run different cells at a time or at a different particular rate based on what is before and after it, and even can help you to manage different sessions. Now, here you can see the different GPU access that you have, or you have like linked with the cloud GPUs, and it can tell you the RAM and the disk storage spaces. Further, you can easily share your notebook using this share icon. But now let's see what these are basically the two cells that we get to work with in the Colab. So the first cell that you're looking here is a text cell. It's very similar to what Markdown cell looks like. So you can easily write your thoughts, write your steps, or anything which help you to code better, or even if you want to share this notebook with others and you want to write instruction, this is the place to go. And this is very similar to a notebook, as I said, so you can even use HTML formats to make it pretty and beautify it. Now, this gray cell is basically a code cell. It helps you to run your code or program that you're writing, and this can be easily done by just clicking on this round play button icon. So now let's write up a small chunk of code to see what's the date today. Here I am uploading the date time module, and then I'm printing the date. So let me quickly run. As you can see, I just ran it, and here it is. Now, um, as we are aware of the two different cells and the interface of the Colab notebook, let's quickly move into one of the tools that Semantic Climate have developed over the years. So keyword extraction is a tool that helps you to extract keywords from the document. It can be really time consuming and effortful to even understand a full paragraph length of a text in few seconds. But if you extract the keywords, it becomes really easier to understand them. And therefore, we at Semantic Live will provide you to do so in just milliseconds. Now, first of all, what you will have to do is like clone the Semantic Climate repo, which you can easily do by running on this button. And once you do this, as you can see that I've already cloned the Semantic Climate, and therefore you can easily find it here. Now, this is similar to any other folder structure. You can go to a particular folder and then can use it. There are different icons like new file, new folder, rename folder, copy path, and refresh or upload. It can help you to upload files. And within this folder structure, you can even upload file from systems, refresh it, or mount your drive if you have anything from the drive that you want to use. Now, since the cloning is done, let's move forward. Here, we are importing all the necessary Python modules that we need for the keyword extraction. And here what we are doing is just uploading the text that we want to run through our keyword extraction. Here I have pasted the same text in a markdown cell to make you a visualization of how this huge paragraph looks like and how consuming it is to read it in few seconds. But when you want to easily understand what this paragraph is talking about, what we can focus on is the keywords. So let's quickly see what we are doing to extract keywords. We are writing a wrapper function, which is using the modules we have developed in the semantic climate. And once you run this, the wrapper function is ready to use. And here we are taking the text, and then we are just running the wrapper function over it, and we're printing the keywords. As you can see, the keywords here ocean acidification, tropical cyclones, sea, hot extremes, and all of these relate back to the climatic conditions and climatic weather, which is really amazing. So we are able to understand this whole paragraph related to climate, and it's something to do with extreme weathers relating to sea, rain, and precipitation. Further, you can run this whole setup for huge, large chunk of document, and you can easily do it by feeding the CSV, which contains the document, and it will extract all the keywords for you and save it for you in just a few seconds, which can easily done by running this. The notebook can be easily accessible from our GitHub page. Feel free to load the notebook at your end and use your own text to understand the keywords. And if you have any question, please feel free to drop a message over our GitHub discussion channels. We will be very happy to solve the queries. And thank you for the page.